Guys, come here, come here. This used to be a, a sugar factory 300 years ago, but now it's just an old ruin. It's so cool to know. It's so cool to know. So useless to know. So good to know. Good know. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. There's no sugar, cause it's regular sugar. And look, I don't know. I have no idea. It's so useless to know. So useful to know. And look at the blade. So useless, am I right? So useful. See ya.